Hey there, Connect Foodies. Ashley Storm here with Cooking Up a Storm. Today's smoothie is satisfying and cleansing. I didn't use banana as the base. I know we always use banana as the base of smoothies. Frozen banana, frozen banana, frozen banana. But I used mango. So mango complements the flavors of orange, carrot, turmeric. I also added some maca root for some extra little boost of energy, and some chia seeds just as a little sprinkle of topping. I used a little bit of honey, but instead of honey, you can choose to use stevia if you want a sugar-free sweetener. Cheers. So good. Thanks for watching. I make smoothies like this all the time. I'm always coming up with new recipes and creative ideas to help add superfoods into your diet. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel. I've put a little link right there to make it super easy. Share it on Facebook, and thanks for watching Cooking Up a Storm.